Human intelligence versus machine intelligence. Human intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, reason, and solve problems. Humans are able to do this because of their brains, which are complex organs that allow us to process information, make decisions, and interact with the world around us. Human intelligence is also shaped by our experiences, our emotions, and our values. Machine intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Machines are able to do this because they are programmed with algorithms that allow them to learn, understand, and reason in a similar way to humans. However, machine intelligence is still in its early stages of development, and machines do not yet have the same level of intelligence as humans. Some of the key differences between human intelligence and machine intelligence are speed, accuracy, adaptability, creativity, and emotions. Humans are not as fast as machines at processing information. Machines can process information millions of times faster than humans. Machines are more accurate than humans at tasks that require repetitive, rule-based processing. Humans are more accurate at tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and judgment. Machines are not as adaptable as humans. Humans are able to learn and adapt to new situations, while machines are more limited in their ability to do so. When it comes to creativity, humans are more creative than machines. Machines can generate creative ideas, but they are not as creative as humans. Machines do not have emotions. Humans are driven by emotions, which can influence their thoughts, decisions, and actions. In the future, it is likely that human intelligence and machine intelligence will work together to solve complex problems. Machines will be able to do the tasks that they are better at, while humans will be able to do the tasks that they are better at. This collaboration will create a more powerful and productive workforce. Let's take a few examples of how human intelligence and machine intelligence are already being used together. One of the greatest examples is the self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use machine intelligence to navigate the roads and avoid obstacles. However, human intelligence is still needed to make decisions about when to take over driving. Then we have the medical diagnosis machines that can be used to analyze medical data and identify potential problems. However, human intelligence is still needed to interpret the data and make a diagnosis. A human doctor brings invaluable expertise and empathy. They communicate the diagnosis to the patient, understand their concerns, and consider the patient's overall health and personal circumstances, and help decide on the best treatment plan. AI is widely used in e-commerce to offer personalized shopping experiences. Based on your browsing history and past purchases, AI can recommend products you might like. But it's your human intelligence that makes the final decision. You consider various factors like need, quality, price, brand reputation, and your personal preference before deciding to buy or ignore the suggestion. Platforms like Facebook or Instagram use AI algorithms to curate your feed based on your past likes, comments, and shares. But it's you who decides to engage with a post, share it with friends, or ignore it based on your understanding, interests, and emotions. In each of these examples, AI provides data-driven insights or automates certain tasks, while human intelligence offers context, judgment, understanding, and emotional intelligence. The combination of both creates a powerful synergy that allows us to make more informed decisions and navigate our world more efficiently.